Dreams. At one point in one's life, everybody has it. That one big dream, that one goal that we think is worth investing all of our time in. I had a lot of dreams, most of which I trashed. There's only really a few that stuck with me till now, and one of them is being a full-time makeup artist. Hi everyone out there who watches this video. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Patty. I'm a 22-year-old woman in the beautiful city of Berlin, and my biggest dream, or one of my biggest dreams, is to establish myself as a makeup artist and live off my art, you know. I started to really taking it serious by this year. And I want to take you with me on this journey and give you tips how you can do it too, you know. I want to help you if I can. Maybe you can learn from my experiences and from my mistakes. And today's video is gonna be a step-by-step guide on how to become a makeup artist if you cannot afford going to makeup school. Because, you know, makeup school can be expensive. In Germany it's like, I guess 20,000, something like that, for a year of makeup education. And the reality is, everything that you want to learn in our time and age is available on Google and on YouTube and, you know, all these learning platforms that are popping up now. And it's there for almost for free, you know, depends on which source you're gonna choose. Alright, so step number one would be to practice till your arms can't move no more. The point is that a bad reputation is very, very hard to undo. So before you take a client to practice on, you rather practice on yourself, mommy, daddy, your little sister, your cousin, your best friend, and the friends of your friends, you know. Take your time with that. Educate yourself on YouTube. Is like the best platform to learn it. We all know that by now, right? We do. But practice. Practice, practice, practice. Learn about face shapes, eye shapes, how do I contour right, how do I bronze up right, what different techniques are there, how do people from other countries do makeup, from other cultures. It differentiates so much. Get inspired. Maybe look for a makeup artist that you really like, and for first, okay, don't take this wrong, first imitate them. Try to imitate them. Try to get to the level that they are on, right? Number two would be an extension to number one, I guess, is to prioritize working on other people's faces rather than yours. Of course you have to do your own makeup, right? But you are here to do makeup on other people and not on yourself. You have to be aware that not every beauty or makeup blogger is a makeup artist. If you only touch your face, you do makeup on yourself and never on someone else, you're not a makeup artist. I know makeup artists, you know, everybody can call themselves makeup artists. It's not like, how do you say, like a legal term. But be aware of what you want to become. What is your goal? Step number three would be to do TFP shootings. TFP stands for time for pictures. Means you work for free. In exchange to working for free, you get contacts, which is the number one thing in this industry. Your net worth is your network, or other way around, your network is your net worth. Alright? And you get to build your portfolio and you gain the experience, which is crucial. You have to display your work somehow. may it be on an own website, on an Instagram portfolio page, on a blog, social media in general, you choose, but you need to have a portfolio, you need the experience, and you need contacts. And let me tell you, this industry is hard. It's not very glamorous at the beginning. I'm gonna tell you right away. So be prepared to work for free as a freelance makeup artist. And I hope for you that you have a side hustle, another side hustle, or a main job, and makeup is your side hustle at first, because other than that you're not gonna make a lot of money to pay for your bread, you know. Number 4 would be to work in a makeup store. This is like hands-on experience, and it's the best thing that can happen to you, because not only you're gonna learn a lot about makeup from your colleagues and your bosses, you're gonna learn to communicate. Communication is such a valuable skill. If you can't, you know, talk, if you can't talk with other people, if you're shy, or if you just don't know how to get the conversation started, you're definitely gonna learn that in retail. I mean, listen, you get paid to learn. That's how you have to see it. That's like the best thing ever. I mean, it's like a gift. It's like a gift. What I would recommend to you after you gained some experience, I think it's pretty possible to teach yourself makeup in a year, right? Like working on TFP shoots on yourself, mommy, daddy, whatever. So after you did a year of this, I would apply for maybe Sephora. I work at MAC, and MAC really like leveled up my skills. I'm not gonna lie to you, like MAC really did it for me. So working in makeup retail is also another crucial step for you to become a makeup artist. Number 5 would be to work on more photo shoots. By now you should have like a small circle of people that you know, or a big circle. I don't know how fine you'll do. Work on photo shoots and try to get them published. Publishments in magazines, even though you're still not getting paid for it, is hella good. Like when you can write this on your website, it's gonna help you out. It's gonna impress people. It's gonna be like, oh, she got published, you know. Maybe what I would recommend is to get like a TFP contract, which definitely claims that your name has to be mentioned everywhere, because I'm gonna tell you right away, this business is hard. People are gonna screw you over. People are gonna be like, she's gonna work for free, we're gonna use her service the whole day for free, and we're not gonna mention her anywhere. Happened to me, happened to a lot of makeup artists, to a lot of stylists. Welcome to this world. I know I want to be negative. I just want to tell you the truth, right? So make sure you go prepared. Now, my loves, it's time to get real clients. What you can do is go to creative universities, for example, fashion schools. Like fashion design students, at the end of the semester they always need makeup artists, right? Hand out your business cards in hairstyling salons so you can do brides, you know. Very important, do business cards. Have business cards. I feel like nobody really keeps them, but it makes you look professional, you know. What I can also recommend to you is becoming a makeup assistant for someone which is in the industry for longer than you and bigger than you, because that's again how you're gonna get contacts, and again how you're gonna get more experience and learn. You're gonna step your foot in the industry, and you know, people can help you out. It's in this industry, it's all about who you know. Nobody makes it on their own. That's a myth. You know, everybody needs some help. How do you get a makeup assistant job? I don't know how it somewhere else. But here in Berlin, it was really hard for me. Like, you know, I just text people all the time if they need a makeup assistant. Most of them say no, or they just don't answer. And then one day I'm gonna link her profile down below. Like, I don't know, like 2 or 3 months ago, I got to know Heidi. She's a great makeup artist and hairstylist. Such a boss lady. She's just like recorded her new series, which is gonna come out soon. And she was looking for a makeup assistant for an advertising job. And my best friend sent it to me, and I texted her like right away. It was like online for like 5 minutes. I was like, oh my god, I need this, I need this, I need this. So be quick, follow your favorite makeup artists and beg everybody to work for them. It's a lot of ass kissing, it's not nice, but that's what you gotta do, you know? Alright, and then what I also can recommend, what my next goal is, because obviously I'm taking you with me on my journey, I'm not there yet myself, despite like the last steps that I was like talking about, is to get into an agency. I feel like that may be the answer for me, you know, because they can get you the jobs. Of course you have to, you know, pay them some part of your salary, but this is fine. That's how business works, right? You get nothing for free in this world. You want people to help you, pay them. The last tip that I can give you is to not give up. It's gonna get very exhausting at one point, or at least I had the feeling, because I was constantly working but I didn't make money, you know? Like, it just started. I just had like my first advertising with Heidi, I told you. I just had my first music video shoot, which I also got from her because she couldn't that day, so she asked me to take it, which I'm so grateful for. Heidi, I love you if you watch this. And now to some last tips that I just want to throw in. When you eventually know that your skills are on point, charge people. Don't be afraid to charge them. Have a set price. You invested a lot of time in it. And remember that people don't pay you for an hour of makeup. They pay you for all the hours that you put in to learn to do it in an hour. So don't get cheap. This was my mistake. I think what I would like to close this video with is throw yourself into people's faces. Like, once you know you have a proper skill set, throw yourself into people's faces. Like, it's not like anybody gonna come and save you, you know? Especially not in this industry. Like, DM the makeup artists that you want to work for. DM musicians that are in your city that you want to do makeup for. DM bloggers, Instagram influencers. Put yourself out there. Put yourself out there. I guess social media is a big part. It's very important that people have the possibility to reach you and to see you. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can find me on Instagram at Makeup by Patty. Follow me, I'll follow you back. Let's, you know, help each other to grow. And yeah, I hope this was kind of helpful. It was, you know, actually it was just like a journal of what I was doing till now. Thank you so much. Bye.